How to unsuspend TikTok account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unsuspend TikTok account. Now, to unsuspend your TikTok account, you need to contact the customer support of TikTok. For that, you want to create a new TikTok account. Then, open up the TikTok app, sign into your new TikTok account. Once you do that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on the option of Report a Problem. Then you want to scroll all the way down and tap on the Chat with Us option. Now, a chatbot will appear with TikTok Help Desk. With this, you will be able to directly contact the customer support of TikTok. Now, you want to type in the message that your another account has been suspended. Now, here it says that TikTok requires more information to help you. So you want to enter all the information required. Then TikTok customer support will help you unsuspend your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.